And me personally, I'd be shooting on a Samsung, but that's just me, okay? You get mad if you want to, people. I got green bubbles and I don't care. You know what I'm saying? You blue bubble people, whatever. I found out when I was on set and I saw him sitting in the chair and I was like, yo, where's the camera?
You didn't know?
I didn't know.
Oh, that's crazy. I didn't realize that.
I didn't know. And then when I got on set, I was like, okay, where's the, come on, man, what you doing? And then I was like, okay, that's you. I trust you. I mean, you're great. So, you know, let's do it.
His pitch was, you know, look, we have this technology. The iPhone shoots in 4K native, which is essentially information-wise identical to what, you know, an Alexa or a Red shoots. And if this technology existed when I was 15 and starting to make movies, this is what I'd be doing with my time all the time. Part of the pain in the ass about making films is how much time it takes between creative impulse and the execution, and I think anything that reduces that amount of time so you can get like an impulse on screen is fantastic, and I think that's really what this kind of technology is allowing us to do.
It's kind of like how YouTube kind of took the power away from some of the older way of Hollywood, like, oh, you gotta give me your stuff and I'll send it off and that's how you'll get paid. It's like, no, I don't need that. I got YouTube. I can blast my own self to the world now because I have the technology.
I think it opens up the door to a whole new kind of filmmaker. And
Definitely.
You know, when Stephen talks to younger filmmakers at this point, and they're like, how do I break into the film industry? He says, pick up your phone and go make a movie.
Yeah.
And I think it lowers, I don't think we're ever going to be at the point where we're shooting Dunkirk on an iPhone, and I don't think we should be, but in terms of accessibility, it really opens the doors.